In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a QR code to your Canva design for free. So I'm here in Canva and we're going to go to apps, and in apps, I'm going to search for QR code. And then press enter. And now we have lots of options, but the first one is the easiest one. And if you press these three dots here, you can see that it's made by Canva themselves. So when I click this QR code here, I can say open, and then I can enter my URL. And when you enter your URL, you also have the option to customize the background color, the foreground color, and the margin, but I'm just going to leave those as they are. And then you're going to generate your code. And now you have a code here. And you can still resize it and add it where you want to have it. And if you now press somewhere else and you're doing all the things you need to do and you want to change it, you can just double click it and you go back to the QR code here. You can change your URL, your colors, and then you can even update your code. But that's how you can easily add a QR code to your designs in Canva, totally free. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.